So now let's see how we can work around with color and luminance range masks inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the mask section right here, and then you can see the range as an option. So I can go around and choose a color range right here, and once I do that, what I can do is I can select a color range that I like I can click right here and I can click right here and choose the color range, as you can see, and you can see a subtle selection over here. So now for that selected color, you can go around and change around the mask range right here. So just like this, you can go around and change around the temperature and so forth for that particular color range, as you can see right here. You can go around and add, let's say for example, another color range right here and select out another portion as well. And that is what you have. You have added portion right here, and you can change around the temperature and control and everything for that particular selected range, as you can see right here. So that is the color range. Let me just go around and then delete out this mask right here. And then apart from that, you can go around onto range and select luminance range as well. So luminance range refers to brightness. So if I were to go around and select out right here, then it select out the bright area right here. And as I change around the exposure, you can see that it controls out those particular range right here, because that is where the mask is. And that is how you can work around with color and luminance range masks inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.